Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that when I put about s equal to number 0, 0, similar for this one, we can see that g of s equal to number 1 at s equal to number 0. So the red line in here is about smaller than 17 of the blue line in here. So this one, that is about upper, and this one, that is about the lower. So the lower, that is about this function in here, and upper, that is about this function in here. The first thing, we need to find the intersection between the red line and the blue line in here. So to do this one, we put this one equals to this one. Now I will put this one go to the right. So we have 2s squared minus s squared, we have s squared, negative number 7 with positive, negative number 1 with positive s, and we will have about number 0 in here. 17, we put in here, we have negative 17. So 1 minus 16, we have negative 16 in here. So I will put this one go to the left, and we have s squared equals to number 16. This one we will have two solutions, s equals to number 4 and s equals to negative number 4. So this one, we have the integration from negative number 4 to positive number 4. So the first thing, we calculate the area in here. We need to use the upper function minus the lower function, and we have the s. So upper, that is about this one, lower, that is about this one. So when we calculate, we put two functions like this. So s squared minus 2s squared, we have negative s squared. This one we have positive 16. And now we have the final answer, the integration of s squared. We have s to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have 16s, and we put the bound from negative number 4 to positive number 4. And now I will put this one gone here, negative number 4 gone here. So we calculate this one. We have 256 over 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.